Hello friends, now here is a step-by-step simplification of this math problem by using Portman rule, which dictates the correct order of operation. First we solve bracket, small bracket, curly bracket, then square bracket. O stand for how we convert into multiplication, we solve roots and exponent. D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Now according to this Portman sequence, we'll break it down this expression by the step-by-step solution. First step, we solve the simplify orders roots inside the square brackets. Now calculate root 121, which will get 11, and second one will calculate cube root of 64, will calculate 4. According to this step, the Portman says operations inside the bracket and order roots and powers take the highest priority, and we simplify these individual terms before handling the rest of the brackets. And now the current expression becomes square bracket 11 plus 4 square bracket of multiply by 18 and divided by 7 minus 4. Move to next step. According to next step, we solve the brackets, which is round brackets and square brackets. So according to this, first 11 plus 4 equals to 15, and the round bracket 7 minus 4 will get 3. According to this step, brackets must be fully evaluated before moving to external operations like multiplication and division. And move 15 multiplied by 18 divided by 3. Move to next step, perform division multiplication from left to right. Now solve 15 multiplied by 18. Now you can use crisscross Vedic math trick here. You can take any two random digits by two digits. So now 8 5s are 40. 4 should be carry over. 1 into 5, 5. 1 into 8, 8 plus 5, 13. 13 plus 4, that is 17. 1 should be carry over. 1 into 1 plus 1, 2. So 270 is the right answer. And then next we have to divide 270 divided by 3 and we'll get 90. So now according to this step, when multiplication M and division D, it's are left together and they hold a equal priority. So we resolve them strictly from left to right. So now alternative is also here. According to the standard order of operation, we can divide first 18 divided by 3 will get 6, and then 15 multiplied by 6 will get 90, and we'll get the same answer in both the cases. So 90 is the final result. So now according to this expression, by using the Portman sequence, the final simplified value of this expression is 90, and I hope it is clear. We'll meet in the next video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Bye bye.